Hey guys, here's some ideas of how you can save money and make some extra money during these hard times so that you have a little extra cash in your pocket. So with everything going on, I've been thinking of how I can save money and how I can find ways to be a little bit more frugal and not waste money. As I've gone through my bills, it's been interesting to look at the expenses in those bills that don't do anything for me, and I don't use them, and I never will use them. For example, I just went through my phone bill and I realized that I was paying $20 a month for insurance on my wife's phone. Now, we had originally started this insurance because she would either leave her phone or drop it and things would break or whatever, and it also made her eligible for like an upgrade each year. So we had originally done it and it was like 12 or 13 bucks a month. Then it was like 15 and I was like, okay, whatever. And then I just looked and it was 20 bucks a month. I was like, this is nuts. Another example was my insurance. I went over and looked at my insurance, and given I have a wonderful policy and a wonderful agent that I work with here in Utah. If you live in Utah, comment down below and I'll give you his name and number. And within my insurance policy, there was some roadside and towing assistance up to $100. And then there was a reimbursement for a rental car up to like $31 a day. And I'm like, I'll never use the rental car because I have a car and my wife has a car. So if one's broken, we use the other. And as far as towing and roadside assistance, I'm like, that $100, like up to $100, I've never used it yet in the 5 or 6 years that I've like owned a car. And why would I start using it now? And it's only up to $100. It doesn't even cover the whole cost. And so I cut that, and given that's only like $6 a month. But those little things, that's what I'm talking about, those add up. The $5 for Spotify, the $6 extra for that insurance, the $7 for Disney Plus, the $5 you spend at Wendy's every other week. It all adds up and you end up having $100 a month that you are wasting on these things that you don't use and that are just sitting there and taking your money. And so look for those things. Find ways to not spend those items, and you might even have to become a little creative. If you get a haircut and you don't necessarily care where you get your haircut, find out how to cut it at home. I'm super picky about my haircuts, and I'm this close to cutting my hair at home just to be able to save an extra $100 a month. I find it as a challenge, and I love competing, and so I find it as like a competition with myself how much I can save. So I challenge you guys to find those ways that you can save money. Look for the small things. Those are what are going to make the difference, and they won't make any difference in your life, and you aren't going to miss them at all. So let them go, save the money, find a way to invest that money, find a way that it can make you extra money in the future. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. If you aren't already subscribed, click right here. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.